Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson, fully vaccinated and more than willing to shave and get a haircut if you want. My full body profile and 360 show you what I look like when I clean up. Hey there. Of course. Happy to help. So with the new tablet, we can certainly do coding. Just like that. Uh-huh. Sure. Click there. Okay. And then for programming, we can also go here. Perfect. Okay, so you've seen that one before. All right, so there's another one like that. Perfect. Of course, you want to take a look? Here you go. How's that look too? All right. What do you think? Perfect. All right. Let's check out some of the coding sites. Okay? Sure. Definitely. Yeah. Here, take a look. Glad I could be of help. Of course.